chapter, that is in the third chapter we are in the economic policies. Actually the third chapter is the British policies, British administrative structures,
excuse me,
and
sir.
the economic policies of the British. In that I have discussed all the topics. Okay, that is the education system, judiciary system, admin system, like that we have discussed all the policies of the Britishers. Okay, now we are in the economic policies of the British. This is the third chapter. Third chapter, last topic. This is the third chapter, last topic. That is the economic policies of the British. Okay, very important topic in the third chapter.
Excuse me, sir.
See,
Excuse me, sir.
Karl Marx
Excuse me, sir.
gave the quotation, that is the colonial system of the Britishers. Colonial system of the Britishers, or the British colonialism,
Excuse me, sir.
or British colonialism. Colonial system of the Britishers or the British colonialism.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
See here.
Excuse me, sir.
He explained the exploitation of the Britishers in different ways. He gave three areas, that is, he divided the Indian economic exploitation by the Britishers in three stages. Okay, one is the mercantile exploitation or mercantile colonialism. Mercantile exploitation or mercantile colonialism. This is one stage, first stage. And the second stage is the industrial exploitation or industrial colonialism. The third stage is the financial colonialism or financial exploitation. In this way, he divided the Indian history, that is from 1600 onwards. From 1600 to 1947, he divided the Indian history in these three stages. From 1600 to, is the board clear? Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. Okay, no problem. Is the board clear or not?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Okay. That is from 1600 to 1947. These years, that is from the British advent of the Britishers, from the advent of the Britishers to the independence of India, he divided the total Indian history based on the economic policies into three stages. That three stages are this one. These are the three stages. He divided the Indian history on the basis of the economic policies of the Britishers in India. Okay, that three stages are the mercantile colonialism, industrial colonialism, and the financial colonialism. Or the mercantile exploitation, industrial exploitation, and the financial exploitation. Or the mercantile capitalism, industrial capitalism, or the financial capitalism. Capitalism. Capitalism means they won't bother about the welfare of the unprivileged people. They will see only the profits. That is the capitalism. The opposite one is the socialism. Okay, the government bothers about the welfare of the lower sections of the people. That is called as socialism, which is opposite for the capitalism. In capitalism, they will see only profits. Profit-oriented society. That is known as the capitalism. Okay, or it is called as a mercantile capitalism, industrial, and the financial. Based on the years. Now I will explain one by one. Now we will see the